everyone, this is Shushmita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show something different of how to match eyeshadow with any colorful dress. If you want to know how I achieve this look, then follow the full video. So without further wasting time, let's get started. I am going to start with shaping my brows. To fill it in, I am using brown shade. Next, I am using concealer to clean up the lower border of my brows as well as on my lids as a primer, and after that I will apply loose powder to set my concealer so that it does not crease. Before starting my eye makeup, I am using some sticky tapes in the corners to get straight edges. With this blending brush, I will take this blue shade and simply press it at the crease. Right on top of the blue shade, I will apply green shade, and then we blend out the two using a larger blending brush. Now, with a flat brush, I am going to cut my crease right in the center of the lid using some concealer. I am going to deepen the outer corners using a darker shade of blue to get the perfect edges. While the concealer is still tacky, I am taking this light green shade and I am going to apply this right on top of the concealer. Next, I will highlight my brow bone with a highlighter. Now, I will remove the tape and a little touch up of blue shade I will apply on the outer corner of the edges as this area looks little bit fade earlier. I have applied my foundation, and now going back to my eye makeup, I will tightline my waterline areas with a kajal pencil. On the lower lash line, first I am applying green shade, and after that on the outer corner I am applying blue shade. And while doing this, make sure to join the lower lash line with the top lash line just so that as the continuation of the eyeshadow colors. Again, I am using a black kajal pencil to give a little bit of touch up as I feel like it becomes fade after applying eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Before applying mascara, I am using eyelash curler to curl my lashes. Next, using highlighter on the tip of my nose, cupid bow, chin, brow ridges. Applying blusher on both my cheeks with a brush. After that, I am applying highlighter on my cheekbone. Before applying lipstick, I am using lip liner to outline my lips. I am using two different shades of lipstick just to give that different color effect. Next, with the eyeliner, I will draw a wing. Before applying false lashes, I will highlight my inner areas with a golden eyeshadow. Now, applying false lashes. I am done, and here is my completed look. Hope you like my video. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is beautyasparkle2020. Love you all, guys. See you soon with a new video. Till then, bye bye.